how do lawyers decide how much your case should be worth? That's a pretty good question.
That's a great question. You know, Kelly, a lot of times, you know, clients will go in and they'll talk to an attorney, and if you ever have an attorney that promises you exactly what they're going to get you and tells you immediately what your case is worth and guarantee you X amount of dollars, you need to pick up your stuff and you need to walk out of their office and go find someone else. Because, Kelly, a lot of times people come in to see us and they either are I mean, we've seen both sides of the spectrum. They're seem to be very injured, and then they turn out to be okay, and then there's the opposite side that they are walking in or somehow getting into the office, and then all of a sudden, I mean, they have to have surgeries on their back or their neck, and it's rack up a lot of medical bills. So basically, the way that you evaluate a case is you look at, you know, you take the client, you see what kind of clients you have. I mean, are they a high wage earner, or do they, you know, work on an hourly wage? Are they a college student? Or are they in high school? Or are they married? Are they single? You take that, you value that with the medical bills, the treatment that they've received, how much they've incurred in expenses. Do they have liens outstanding? Have they had their medical bills paid through a health care provider, like a third-party provider like Blue Cross and Blue Shield? And then you look at their long-term goal, their long-term effects to say, hey, listen, are they going to always be this way? Have they, you know, the most drastic cases can be someone who's been involved in an accident who is now paralyzed. Obviously, before the accident, they were not. Now they are. Life care plans, treatments, and you get economists, you get a rehab specialist involved. A lot of money is expended to evaluate a case a lot of times. So it seems like it's an easy question, but not necessarily all the time. But I'll just warn you once again, if an attorney promises you from the onset about what your case is worth and what they're going to get you, pack your stuff up and go find someone else, because there's a lot of factors, a lot of variables, and you need an attorney that's going to be flexible, that can evaluate your case as you progress through your case as well.